So this is how you use your laser, your 3-beam laser, to make sure that your shower door install is straight and level. So you can see here that I'm just a little bit below on that hole, that middle hole. And since both these rails have the holes in the same spot, I have to move this one. I have to move this one up. And by moving this one up a smidgen up to there and centering it on that point, I know now that by doing that, it will be level at the top because these points are level. And then as long as I can keep the laser line all the way centered through both rails on either side, I just make sure I mount that in the middle, drill those holes on the side rails, and keep that green laser line right in the middle of that rail. I know it'll be straight and perpendicular. So there you go. That's one way to use your 3-beam laser.